This certificate is awarded to Roshni on successful completion of a certificate course in script and screenplay writing. Her practical knowledge of storytelling, scripting, dialogue writing and screenwriting skills was found to be very good. We wish her best of luck for a bright future ahead.
Hi, I'm Roshni Mangnani. I'm from Mumbai Film Academy. I just got certified for the course Script and Screenplay Writing under the supervision by Sudhanshu Dube sir. It is a must recommended course by me and by everyone who learns here.
अच्छा स्क्रीनप्ले की करेंगे
स्क्रीनप्ले पूरा स्टोरी लिखता हूँ गूगल पे सर्च करके थोड़ा सा फॉर्मेट देखना है।
और किस तरह की फिल्में पसंद हैं, कोई फेवरेट्स हैं आपके?
The overall experience over here was amazing. You should definitely join this course if you want to get into this field.